Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the third question in exercise 5.1. Now let us look at the problem. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. There are four subdivisions, so first we will take the first one. The series that was given to us is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, dot. Now this goes on. So first we need to write the first term and common difference. So the first term is 3 because that appears first. So A is equal to 3. Now in order to find the common difference, subtract from the third term or the first term from the second term. So whichever works, because it is common difference, you can do any of the subtractions. So in this case, 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 2. Now let us look at the second series. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. So A is going to be the first term. So this is equal to minus 5. B is going to be equal to any one subtractions you can do. So in this case, I'm going to do 3 from 7 because this work makes it easier. So 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So the common difference is 4 and the first term is minus 5. Now let us look at the third one. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, and so on. So in this case, A is going to be the first term, so it is 1 by 3. Now in order to do D, I have to take any two consecutive terms and do the subtraction. So let me take the third and the second. So 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. So my common difference is 4 by 3, where the first term is 1 by 3. Now for the last series here, the series is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. So the A is going to be the first term, so 0.6. D is going to be, subtract any of the two terms. So I'm going to take the third term and subtract it with the second term. So 2.8 minus 1.7, which is equal to 1.1. So the common difference is 1.1 and the first term is 0.6. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.